So I am going to deal defrosting in refrigerator. Since the evaporator in a refrigerator operates between below temperature 0 degree centigrade, below freezing point of the water, therefore it is subjected to accumulation of frost or ice. The lower the evaporator temperature, the thicker will be the formation of ice. The frost act as an insulation that impedes heat transfer to evaporator. This leads to further thickening of the frost as the temperature tends to go down because of the decay. This ultimately leads to substantial reduction in the evaporator capacity and the system efficiency. Thus, the removal of frost or defrosting the evaporator at regular interval is an absolutely necessary. ठीक है ना, मतलब फ्रॉस्टिंग हो जाती है, बर्फ़ जम जाता है, उसको हटाना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. One of the simplest method of defrosting is by manually putting off the refrigerator and restarting only after complete defrosting of the evaporator. मैनुअली करते हैं ना, बंद कर देते हैं फ्रिज को. Nowadays the refrigerator are provided with push button defrost thermostat. Thermostat पे push button लगा रहता है. A push button is provided in the center of the thermostat knob. The defrosting can be initiated by simply pressing the push button, which causes the thermostat to break and keeps the electrical contact of the thermostat open until the evaporator temperature rises above the freezing point and defrosting takes place. The refrigerator returns to normal functioning automatically once the defrosting is complete. Okay, मतलब नॉब में जो डिफ्रॉस्टिंग होता है उसमें बटन एक लगा रहता है, उसको दबा देने से ऑटोमेटिकली डिफ्रॉस्टिंग होती है. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट. इन ए डबल डोर रेफ्रिजरेटर द evaporator in the fresh food or general storage compartment is generally designed for natural cycle defrost. The defrosting takes place every time the compressor switched off the thermostat as the storage temperature is above the freezing point. However, the defrosting may not be always complete. Over a period of continuous use, some amount of residual frost after the defrost cycle can be collected partially on the lower portion of the evaporator. Such accumulation of frost due to residual frost of the natural defrost cycle has to be removed periodically by manually stopping the machine. The freezer compartment is not provided with automatic defrost system as the temperature of the frozen food should not be allowed to go above the freezing point. Therefore, manual defrosting has to be carried out periodically. Obviously, for defrosting, the frozen food should be removed, or defrosting should be when freezer when the freezer is when the freezer is empty. The defrost water from the evaporator flows to a condensate pan provided below evaporator of the fresh food compartment. From its drain into a tray in the compressor compartment. The water collected in the tray will evaporate due to the hot environment in the compressor compartment. It may be necessary to empty the tray manually once in a while as the water accumulates in the tray. So this is your, in the old refrigerators you see we have to do it manually. After some times we have to do it manually because the ice is collected in the evaporator and make it and provide an insulation, so the heat flow from the evaporator to the heat flow from the coil of the evaporator to evaporator is reduced. So to avoid that, defrosting is being done. We stop the fridge for some times and remove the ice from there. But in the modern fridge, there is one knob in the thermostat. If we put it off, then fridge will be completely off and natural defrosting will take place. Automatically it will remove the ice from there, from the evaporator compartment, and after switch on automatically, it will be switch on automatically. Even then, in spite of this automatic defrosting system, sometimes what happens that some ice remains deposited over there in the evaporator coil. Even after the automatic defrostation, it never goes to up to the zero. So always some ice is always deposited in the compressor, in the evaporator, and that ice to be removed occasionally. So even the automatic defrosting is there, manual defrosting is some residue, because some residue frost of the natural defrost cycle has to be removed. So some ice periodically by manually stopping the machine. So some ice is always there in the evaporator, even in the automatic. And what happened? This water from the evaporator, that is from the water flows to the condensate, to a condensate pan, and it is behind the compressor. compressor के पीछे में लगा रहता है condensate pan. वहाँ पर the water goes there and it is collected over there, and from there it drain into a tray in the compressor compartment. In the compressor compartment, the water collected in that way will evaporate due to the heat. Due to the hot environment is in the compressor compartment. It may be necessary to empty the tray manually once in a while as the water accumulates in the tray. मतलब मैनुअली भी करना पड़ जाता है इसको हमें. जब वाटर जो ट्रे में इकट्ठा हो जाता है तो वो रिमूव नहीं होता 100%, तो 100% करने के लिए हमें उसको मैनुअली भी करना पड़ जाता है. कंट्रोल ऑफ रेफ्रिजरेटर कैसे कंट्रोल करते हैं? पहला होता है स्टार्टिंग रिले, फर्स्ट पार्ट स्टार्टिंग रिले. सेकंड पार्ट होता है ओवरलोड प्रोटेक्टर. उसके बाद थर्ड पार्ट होता है इसमें, थर्ड पार्ट होता है आपका थर्मोस्टेट बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है. इसका एक लाइन डायग्राम शो किया गया है यहाँ पर. लाइन डायग्राम में सब कुछ इलेक्ट्रिकल पोर्शन है ये बल्ब ऑफ द थर्मोस्टेट. दिस ऑल आर द इलेक्ट्रिकल पोर्शन. सप्लाई लाइन इज देयर, running winding is there, lot of electrical part is there. So it is the line diagram, it has been shown completely about the electrical portion of the thermostat. That is that thermostat that control the temperature of the evaporator. In that way we control the movement of the refrigerator or your AC. Okay, there is cutout temperature also and cut-in temperature also. This is very important. Cutout temperature, how much is the you have fixed on the thermostat, how much is the temperature should be there, and cut-in temperature, how much should be the cut-in temperature should be there. That's all for defrosting system and control of the refrigerator. Okay.